Hey guys, this is my run on Lightning's Intersecting wheels, and this is mainly for the ticket mission, where you can use either Lightning or Beatrix for the ticket mission. And since I did aim for Beatrix, decided to go for the Beatrix solo. If you did have Beatrix's FRBT, the Beatrix solo run is extremely easy because, and this is something that I was not aware of, inside Beatrix's BT mode, none of her buffs will take down, and this includes the Holy Knight protection buff, which essentially means if you buff herself with the Holy Knight protection when her BT aura is up, Beatrix cannot die on this stage. Not to mention also, Beatrix has the utility to dispel buffs, so you don't really need call abilities even. Anytime the bosses buff themselves, such as here, just use a LD and buffs are gone. So essentially you just have to hold off until you get to 100% force time. Best is to use your force attack to cancel the enemy's force time, so that you don't have to worry about the force effects at all. I would also recommend removing Beatrix's speed passives. I don't think you need to, but it makes her force time last longer, so why not? Here I used the Gladio LD call, and that's really just to make the start a little bit more consistent. Part of the reason was also, like I said, I wasn't aware that Holy Knight protection will last forever now. But I guess this is one option in case you're worried about the start, especially when the bosses have just entered their force time. It gets a little bit scary there. So you can use a call ability like Gladio to buy you that few turns to set up Beatrix's FRBT. Beatrix is at 1 HP here, mainly due to the HP poison, but if you get to this point and you manage to get her Holy Knight protection up, fight is over, because there's nothing the boss can do that can harm Beatrix, and there's really no need for the Gladio LD call on hindsight. Alternatively, you could use some sort of call that can heal herself, but even if you don't have it, Beatrix can self-heal through her passive HP regen, or you can also use additional ability near the end of the fight to heal her HP. That's pretty much to this fight. If you get to this stage, just have to wait and let Beatrix counter the bosses to death, and then just do something during her turn. I'll speed up the rest of the fight a little bit to make things go faster. There really isn't much else to talk about this fight. There isn't a lot of mechanics here, unfortunately. As long as you have a way to deal with the buffs, the bosses are pretty generic and harmless. Overall, I was quite lucky on this banner. I got Lightning's FR on the free pull, so I may build Lightning, I'm still thinking about it. But I got Beatrix's BT in 200 tickets as well, which is a pretty big win in my opinion. Both characters are pretty good, I have to say. Lightning is now a very competent single target damage dealer, and Beatrix, considering that she can keep Holy Knight protection up her entire BT aura, becomes a pretty good tank, and often counter attacker as well.
100年早い。衝撃に飲まれなさい。バラのバラのバラのバラの一撃でバラのバラのバラの
And that's it. As always, I hope the video has been helpful. If you enjoyed the content, do leave a like, comment and subscribe. It really helps a lot. Till then, I'll see you guys in the next Shinryu fight. Bye!